General features of the tibia. The tibia forms, with the fibula, the skeleton of the leg region. The tibia consists of, the proximal extremity, which articulates with the femur and patella forming the stifle joint. The shaft. The distal extremity that articulates with tarsal bones forming the tarsal joint. Features of the proximal extremity of the tibia, medial condyle and lateral condyle, which are separated in the middle by a higher medial and a lower lateral intercondyloid eminences, and caudally by deep popliteal notch. Tibial tuberosity is cranial, having a tibial groove in horse. Extensor groove separates tibial tuberosity from lateral condyle. Features of the shaft of the tibia, on the cranial surface, tibial tuberosity, grooved in horse. It extends distally as tibial crest. On the caudal surface, muscular lines are frequent. Popliteal line is the one, which extends to the middle of the medial border. Notice each of the followings: number 3, extensor groove, and number 4, medial condyle. Features of the distal extremity of tibia. Cochlea consists of 2 oblique grooves, 1 medial groove and 2 lateral groove. Both are separated by 3 a sagittal ridge. 4. Medial malleolus of the tibia is a prominent, forming the cranial boundary of a groove. Skeleton of the stifle joint of horse. Please notice the components of the skeleton of the stifle joint in horse, and how much they differ from other animals. Skeleton of the stifle joint of dog. Please notice the components of the skeleton of the stifle joint in dog, and how much they differ from other animals. Skeleton of the peas in the domestic animals. The skeleton of the peas includes the tarsal bones, metatarsal bones, and the digits. While we were studying the thoracic limb, we mentioned how we can differentiate between the metatarsal bones and the metacarpal bones. Please refer to this part again. On the other hand, the digit components are quite similar in the two limbs. Tarsal bones are small in type and differ in number, differs according to animal species. They are 5 to 6 in number and are arranged in 3 rows. One proximal row consists of 2 bones, talus and calcaneus 2. Central row is represented by central tarsal bone 3. Distal row is represented typically by 4 bones. In ruminants, they are 3, called first, fused second and third, and fourth. Skeleton of the tarsal bones in the horse. Skeleton of the tarsal bones in the ox. Skeleton of the peas in the dew. Now, please memorize the anatomical features of the tibia.